Good morning, guys. We are at an absolute banger spot today.
It's so beautiful.
Completely forgotten the name of it.
Me too, but I'll write it here. But we've got friendly chickens and things, and then we saw all these kangaroos this morning. Three of them were having a full blowout. They were having a massive punch up.
They were having a boxing match.
It was crazy.
And then
it was so interesting to watch, and they were going for ages.
yeah, it's so cool. We're near. We're just out of Hervey Bay, so
I think it's Harvey.
Harvey Bay.
Spelled
Sorry.
Hervey. Is it? I don't know.
We're so bad with names.
We got corrected once, and I can't remember which one it was. But
Harvey. I think it's Harvey.
that is Fraser Island right there as well.
Right there.
So
Fraser Island's probably not even 3 kilometres away.
that was going to be our plan for today. We were going to go to Fraser, but plans have changed, unfortunately.
Yeah, we got a photography gig that we have to head down straight to the Sunshine Coast and pick up some stuff, and we can't go to Fraser.
But then today is also limbo because we're expecting a delivery here as well.
Yeah.
That might come tomorrow. So
But we going to
today
Fraser. We
we're
just can't go today.
probably just going to hang around this area today.
Yep.
Maybe.
And just
And
see
it's-
what's around Hervey Bay, I
It's a
guess.
beautiful day, I think. So I'm really excited.
We've got lucky today. But yeah, we're going to Fraser Island. Don't stress out about that. I cannot wait to go to Fraser. But unfortunately, we just have to drive 4 hours down to Sunshine Coast first. So, all right, so brekkie today is something different. We don't normally do this, do we?
Well, yes. Usually we both just eat the exact same thing, and me in particular is finding it a bit difficult because I shouldn't really be eating the same as a male who weighs double what I do. So we're both trying to take our diets a bit more seriously lately. So in order to do that and stay excited about the food we're eating, we're going to be eating completely different things, which is going to mean a lot more cooking and dishes
Yeah.
and things. But I think it's something we really need to do in order
Yeah.
to prioritise our health at the moment.
Definitely. So Megan's having oats with stewed apples that look absolutely
Delicious.
not very nice. With a little bit of whiting, a little bit of egg white.
No fish, please.
And I'm having scrambled eggs with capsicum, parsley, turkey, and the diet says to have that much cheese, and I am not complaining about that.
So Jack's going keto,
Yeah, keto.
which I'm like, I will guess we'll see the results eventually, but I'm like, it just goes against everything that I ever know about nutrition. So.
I don't know, we're just going to try some new things out and see how we feel.
So I think technically this place is supposed to be just for caravans, but we're allowed to stay here because we've got our chemical toilet, but they don't want us dropping any grey water on the floor. So we've got this massive pile of dishes that we're going to be stuck with for the day until we get to camp tonight. But I think mission number 1 today is going to be find a public bathroom that we can go brush our teeth in.
And it's a beautiful day.
It is.
We've had some bad weather lately if you've been following along on the vlogs, but today I think it's back. The good weather's back.
So another cool thing about that place is actually a sustainable farm. So they grow all their own fruits and vegetables, and they've got so much growing there. It's really, really cool. And as always, the landowner is just so passionate about it. It's so good to see. And she did tell us it is Harvey Bay, not Hervey Bay. So we will stop butchering it. But we've just got one little pit stop before we go brush our teeth this morning because it's someone's birthday coming up soon. So we're getting him a little present.
What are we doing at Cartridge World?
So we are still van lifers, so birthday presents come from Facebook Markets.
From a printer shop.
No, the guy just works here, so it's secondhand, and I have been bartering around from Bundaberg to Harvey Bay to find
She's done a good job.
the cheapest one. And Jack is very funny about it. He's like, no, do not spend money on me. Do not spend money on me. So I had to sort of push to get him a birthday present, but I know you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
It's not a printer. Close your eyes. You saw it already.
I saw something.
Keep them shut. You've not even got your eyes shut.
I already know what it is.
Ruining it completely.
Oh, thank
We're
you.
not very good at birthdays, are we?
Oh, it's so good. It's actually really good condition, eh?
Mhm. And
Thank
it's
you.
bigger than mine as well.
Maybe a little kiss for camera. A little kissy kiss.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday for
Thank you so
not
much.
even today.
We do share the same bank account, so I know Megan got a really good price, and I may have been a part of it. So. But the reason all right, let me tell you the first reason. The first reason is Megan lost.
You lost.
Megan lost it.
You lost.
Megan, you definitely lost
You
it.
definitely.
Whatever.
Anyway.
We've had a few fights. Megan lost this in Darwin, so she's like, maybe I'll get you an Apple Watch for your birthday.
And then we can share a charger and I can finally charge mine again
so
now.
she's got a charger now and I've got a watch. And to be honest, ever since we got Megan's a few years ago, I have wanted one,
Yeah.
but I've just never really wanted to spend the money on it.
Mhm.
And let's be honest, it isn't a necessary item, but it does help with calories and your
Yeah.
heart rate. It's
And
really
it's just
interesting.
motivating as well because
Yeah.
they've got the thing where you close your rings,
Yeah.
and if you have, had a bit of a lazy day, sometimes you just have that extra motivational push to close a ring, which sounds really wrong,
And
but
to be honest, I've never ever had a watch or anything like that.
nah. I'm
So
excited for
I
you.
feel quite
Let's go for a
fancy.
spin. Let's go test it out. Go for a walk
Go
on
for
the
a walk.
waterfront or something.
What are we doing, Megan?
It's not what you're thinking. We haven't failed our diet already in the first couple of hours, but we need the Wi-Fi and we couldn't get it from the car park like we usually do.
Because my Apple Watch, or my phone wasn't updated, so we're using their Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and I figured I may as well upload a vlog while we're here as well. Hopefully I can do... Oh, I've got low battery.
Oh, you're
There's
kidding.
no PowerPoints in here.
Oh, man.
Okay, never
Cut.
mind about the vlog.
Nightmare.
What's happened?
The watch isn't working. And I'm going to lose it.
Someone's been a bit grumpy.
Very grumpy.
Well, I mean...
More upset. It keeps going to pair and then it's not pairing, so... We're probably just missing something, but
No, we've tried everything.
we've tried everything and it's not working. But, I mean, there's no reason why the watch shouldn't work.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Do you want some food?
No.
Just an apple? Oh, wait, you're off carbs.
I just want my watch to work.
Do you want a can of tuna?
Sure.
Okay, I'll get you one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This day's not going to plan today.
I don't think any day goes to plan.
It's not going to plan.
I think maybe just leave it because we've got stuff to do.
When something like this happens, I have to get to the bottom of it. I'll just go straight in. Nothing else matters.
Well, I mean,
But we have to...
it might seem like we've been doing it for maybe 3 minutes on the video, but it's been about an hour.
2 hours.
2 hours maybe.
Oh, well. I might have to leave it because we are leaving Harvey Bay today.
Yeah.
So
Oh, we still got to go post office.
we've got to go do so much stuff still.
Yeah. Okay, so we finally put the watch to rest. We're not going to worry about it for another...
I'm still worried about it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm a bit sad that it's not working, but we'll figure it out.
We are on our way to do something that we've never done before, and we're hiring a sup board, one single sup board to share between the two of us, because I feel like this beach would have to be one of the best places to do it.
Yeah.
Wait till you see it.
All right, Megan, show us how it's done. You're professional.
Done it twice.
That thing is massive compared to you. What a cracker. Are you excited?
Yeah.
This is something Megan's wanted to do so badly, guys.
I know. We actually did used to have one, an inflatable one, but we never used it, so we sold it.
Yeah.
But I feel like when you come to a place like this, you gotta have a go. Not really. Oh!
We've done it. Uh-oh. The
Oh
wind-
my god!
the wind's pushing.
I don't think it's sporting!
We're not getting very far. You all supped out, Megan?
Ready.
Did you get your sup fix?
Starving, although I wasn't expecting to
Hey?
get that wet though.
Your pants are drenched. Go.
Does this cover it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright.
All right,
You
so
lying to me?
no, it looks good.
Okay.
What are we gonna eat? Our new diets,
Our
mate.
new diet. We're gonna find somewhere to. We could just go to camp because otherwise we're gonna have to find somewhere to pull over on the side of the road.
Oh, there goes.
No.
There goes the sup.
And
We'll go to camp.
cook some meat, which might look a bit odd.
Yeah, we're gonna go to camp, set up, cook some lunch. Probably be dinner time by the time we get there.
Yeah, true.
If we keep piss fighting. But we're just enjoying ourselves. We're actually really just cruising. It's pretty good today, eh?
Yeah. Would I have preferred if we didn't spend 3 hours trying to set up a watch? Yes.
But I think what I'm trying to say is we've like figured out how to travel properly now. We've figured it out, eh?
You reckon?
Nice and slow. Don't go too fast. Anyway, we're going to camp. See you there.
So we're all booked online for our camp tonight, and it says to just rock up, open the gate, let yourself in, and find somewhere to camp.
Those are the best cans, mate.
How good is this spot?
I love how it's so private.
Beautiful. We're the only ones here. Put the handbrake on. Oh, wait, hang on. Yep.
I'm gonna let go of the brake.
Anyway, so we've got a dam over here behind us. It's also green. And can you hear the birds? That's beautiful. This is going to be so good in the morning as well.
Fires up.
Yeah.
Looks like there's kangaroos here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and we got cows. Possibly some cows. Guys, I was just doing the dishes that we finally got around to doing, and then I look inside and look at the mess inside the Troopy. I don't know, it happens so much, and I just don't know how it happens. It's bad, eh?
I think it's just a part of our life now. I think we just need to accept it. That it's not the perfect Instagram Troopy.
No. We carry on about how we've got a spot for...
It's tiny.
It is when it's tidy. We carry on about how we've got a spot for everything, but then yet everything is everywhere. Always. It's probably due to a bit of laziness. Hey.
I think maybe we're just we have been accumulating a few things. Like I got these
Megan's added 8 kilos to the car.
the other day, and
So-
that's a newbie as well. Although that used to have a spot behind my chair. What happened to that? Oh, there's a box behind there. Yeah, see, we're just accumulating.
Alright, so tonight we're having a salad, lettuce, because we burnt our beef patties. No, I'm joking, they're just here. So we're having beef patties tonight with, we're not eating, well, Megan's
Bunless. I got one piece of toast because
Megan's-
I'm starving.
Yeah, Megan's gonna eat the bread, but I'm having lettuce. We got some cheese happening on top. We've got mushrooms and onion. Fire's cranking.
We haven't had burgers in ages.
Hey?
We never eat burgers. So
No, we don't.
I'm excited.
We have not had burgers for ages, but we're going to leave you there, guys.
I don't know if we're going to vlog tomorrow. You guys won't notice a difference because we'll still stick to our regular 3 uploads. But I think we'll pick you up the day after tomorrow because tomorrow's just going to be boring anyway.
Yeah, laundry and all that.
But day after tomorrow is going to be Jack's birthday.
It is.
So make sure you're subscribed to see that episode.
I'm turning 29, so I'm almost 30. That's crazy. I'm starting to forget how old I am.
Yeah.
That means you're getting a little bit older. So, yeah, you've probably gone out too far already.
No way.
Try and come back. Don't go that way. Try and come back. Megan. I do not want her to go out this. Otherwise she'll be gone. Are you all good?
Yeah.
Alright, false alarm. Here we go. Stand up. Yes! You reckon you can do it? Oh, there's that dancing balance.
If anyone wants to know what it's like to have a boyfriend with severe anxiety, it's getting a supboard and only being able to go out this far without freaking out.
You can go as far as you like. Anyway, we'll get on with cleaning the dishes, and I don't know why I'm walking this way. It's something I tend to do. Onion or onion?
Onion.
Onion.
No, just an N. No, it's not NG sound.
We're having onions, and
You're still not saying it right.
I got a mate who says Oreo McFlurry, but he'll say Oreo McFlurry. Every time he can't change what he says, no matter how many times you tell him.
It's not as bad as yours, something.
Something. Lettuce burger.